How to watch live football on YouTube TV and the NBA app. Step number 1. Subscribe to YouTube TV. Ensure you have an active YouTube TV subscription. New users can start a free trial and cancel anytime. Step number 2. Access live NFL games on YouTube TV. Open the YouTube TV app on your device. Enter NFL in the search bar. Select the NFL's page to find live games. Step number 3. Add NFL RedZone, optional. For comprehensive coverage, add the Sports Plus add-on to access NFL RedZone, which provides live coverage of Sunday afternoon games. Step number 4. Record games with Cloud DVR. Use YouTube TV's Cloud DVR to record games and watch them later. This feature offers unlimited storage space. Step number 5. Download the NBA app. Install the NBA app on your smartphone or tablet. Step number 6. Access live NBA games. Open the NBA app to watch live NBA games. Note that the NBA app focuses on basketball content and does not cover football. Step number 7. Subscribe to NBA League Pass, optional. For access to live out-of-market NBA games, subscribe to NBA League Pass. Packages are available on NBA.com and the NBA app. Step number 8. Check device compatibility. Both YouTube TV and the NBA app are compatible with various devices, including smartphones, tablets, smart TVs, and streaming devices.